All right, got, I don't need that on there. There we go. Got some of this up. Got the mill scale off. A lot of that mill scale, which is horrible right here, which is a pretty bad piece. Gonna get me a nice clean welding surface. All right, now time to do this. That one, both sides. And let's put it together, see what we come up with. Okay, now, hope you can hear me all these damn fans going because it's hot as hell in here. But got all the mill scale off. Got my little trough in the middle there, about 1/8 of an inch gap. It's gonna be good for the MIG to fill it up. All the mill scale off in the joints. So I'm gonna fill all that in. Got my little spot for my ground clamps on each side just in case. And right now we're gonna tack it up and we're gonna see where we go from here. All right, so I might put y'all on a time lapse and we'll go from this point. Let's get it. Okay, had a slight issue because I broke my own golden rule, which was tack before you weld, and had a big ass gap on the first time lapse. But I got it. It's welded pretty goddamn good. Got good penetration on the inside. Thing's still warm. Yeah, this bitch still warm. Turn it around with a glove. So I went over the welds with paint, light on the inside of the tube. I'm good and sealed. And she's stronger than a motherfucker. I mean, excuse me, try not to cuss. Stronger than a mopo. Now next is this one. So I'm gonna set up over here, see what we got. Okay, so basically, this is how it's gonna set in the frame. Of course, I'll be marking my center line, get a center on my notch, probably go that way a little bit. Thing's still a little piping hot. But, well, pretty much straight and balanced, even. I did a pretty good job welding it. It's gonna drop down into the frame. I'm gonna have to remove this crossbar like I said in the previous video, but I got this beam I can measure to when I go to set my 4-link stuff up in this area here. But yeah, I mean, for the part, the notch is straight for a first time welder, not bad. And once I slit this, remove this bar, place this, I'm gonna drop this down into the frame, slice this out, weld back side to it, weld front side to it, just to weld the back side and this side to it on the seam. I'm gonna come right along this seam, put it even on both sides, drop that in, boom, weld it to the top, bottom, all the way down to wherever I can right here on the bottom of the frame. I'm also thinking about doing a little fish plate outside here on the fish plate just to give it even more strength. But it's gonna also have 2 bars going across the other side for the bag mounts at the top to match the bags up front on the swap, on the Crown Vic swap. So we're gonna get it together. Let's get over there and get the welding that joker right there. And I'll get back with you in a minute. Peace. Okay, getting a lot better and a lot faster at it. Tell you that much. Weld's looking a lot more cleaner. Not bad for a first time welder. Now one thing's gonna happen, 2 things for sure. You know, I don't know. We're gonna put this joker on and gonna put weld on there, put all the stuff to it, put the wheels on it, put it on the ground, and that bitch gonna boom. All 4 wheels gonna fall on the goddamn ground. I don't know. We shall see. Boy, this joker's still a little bit warm. This is a 72 F100. Crown Vic swap in the front. Little cab, it's a Bumpside. Of course, nothing better. Leave this thing hot still. I'll let it cool down a little more. Just want to make sure what we got. This frame is like weird, man. It does some weird stuff. Yep, there we go. Straight down the line. So, yep, same thing. I'll get on it later. Mark my center on bump stop. Mark my center of this. Remove that. And all this other little BS on here. And then we're going to go for broke. You're going to see just how good this joker going to be. Hope I don't knock everything over. I guess this is roughly, it helps I put it on the damn frame. I guess this is roughly pretty much how it's gonna be. Yeah, get it all in, get that level, drop it down. Of course, it's gonna be that damn high. But drop it down for the big rims, it's gotta go on it. Yeah, what's up, Don't talk to them about the V-Boy welders. What up, baby? Gonna let this joker cool, and man, hopefully them bitches don't warp up on me when they get ice cold. Peace.